Welcome to 76 Crossover Street, a 3-bedroom, 3-level semi-detached home situated within the prestigious Upper Beaches Estates neighbourhood of Toronto. A mature tree in the front yard shades low-water native plantings, which line a stone walkway to a covered porch with a tiled floor. For enhanced natural lighting, the glass-paneled entry door has a sidelight and transom, and opening into a ceramic-tiled foyer invites you into a main level with an open-concept design, principal rooms painted with a designer color palette, 9-foot ceilings, and pot lighting throughout. The living room easily combines with an intimate dining area, while an oversized south-facing window allows natural light to spill into these entertaining spaces, which have the added warmth of oak hardwood flooring. The family spaces of the kitchen and its breakfast area are finished with ceramic flooring, and above the dining area is a gorgeous designer light fixture, while a gas fireplace spreads cozy warmth throughout this room. The kitchen's island has additional breakfast seating and a stainless steel double sink. The undermount lighting of the wood cabinetry accentuates a tumbled marble backsplash, and completing this very functional work area is a stainless steel gas range, dishwasher, and fridge with bottom-mount freezer. Natural light streams through a north-facing window and a fully glass-paneled door with a transom, which opens to a backyard transformed entirely into a deck for an extremely low-maintenance outdoor entertaining space, featuring privacy fencing on the east and west sides, as well as a flower bed and plant trellis along the detached double-car garage. The deck is partially covered by a pergola, and the garage is vehicle accessible via a rear lane. The kitchen also has a coat closet, and a sunken landing across from the dining room is where a powder room with ceramic flooring and pedestal sink is tucked away for privacy. And this landing also provides access to an unspoiled lower level, which has a laundry area with front-load washer and dryer, as well as amazing potential for future recreational, family, and entertaining space. To both the second and third levels are beautiful oak hardwood staircases, with these 2 levels also showcasing hardwood flooring and a bright neutral color palette throughout as well. The second level hallway is brightened with pot lighting and leads to 2 bedrooms, both which have north-facing windows, ample closet storage, updated light fixtures, and wall niches ideal for study or sitting areas. The 4-piece washroom on this level has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and a wood vanity with drop-in basin. And the generously sized media family room has a south-facing accent window, an oversized arched window, and a 3rd-story window for abundant natural brightness, which, along with a 17-foot vaulted ceiling, enhances the airy, spacious feel of the room. The 3rd level is dedicated to the master suite, with this private space showcasing pot lighting, a walk-in closet, and a 4-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes throughout, a wood vanity, a corner soaker tub, as well as a shower area with glass door and rainfall shower head. Along the north wall are 2 good-sized windows, and this bedroom also has a walkout onto its own private balcony. Located in a neighbourhood that is steps to TTC service and Bob Acton Park, this home is also walking distance to Kimberley Junior Public School and Malvern Collegiate Institute, Danforth Avenue shopping, restaurants, and entertainment, as well as the Danforth GO and the Main Street subway stations. The vibrant beach neighbourhood is also minutes away, and it's just a short drive to the Don Valley Parkway to connect to the Gardiner Expressway and Highway 401 for commuting throughout the GTA.